Lightline low-profile wall strikes the perfect balance between form and function, modern and minimalistic. This frameless glass storefront maximizes daylighting throughout a space. With a timeless elegance, low-profile Lightline features 1-inch base trim. Its unique construction allows it to stand without additional support elements. Featuring more glass, less framework, low-profile Lightline enables endless runs of glass to create simply beautiful environments. Beautifully simple, low-profile Lightline features semi-unitized modular panels, which are pre-assembled to the exact requirements of a space, making this wall system easier and faster, meaning less costly to install than traditional stick-built storefront. Versatile and customizable, low-profile Lightline features numerous design and finish options that give way to high-design environments that are brilliantly functional. From conference rooms to private offices and more, low-profile Lightline brings life and beauty to the workplace.